So we are in Generalized Linear Models with examples in R, Chapter 3, and we're on question 3.7. Here's the question right here. So for the naval hospital data set in this particular data set, okay, fit the three models that contain two of the explanatory variables. Show that the fitted values are very similar for all three models. Okay. So first we need to get our hands on the in-hospital data set here, and that is in the GLM's data package. So you'll need to install that package as well as load it. Okay. Now I call up that data, and I'm just giving it the name of D just to reduce my typing. Okay. And so we can take a look here at D. Okay. So here's our data set. Okay, that's fine. Now, we're supposed to run 3 regression models using 2 predictor variables. Unfortunately, the question doesn't say what are we regressing on what, and so for that I went back to page, I think, 137 and just kind of tried to understand what was being done there. So they reference page 136, and on the next page they kind of show what I think that we're supposed to be doing. So I believe that what we're supposed to be doing is using main hours as the outcome variable, and then using every combination of the other two in order to predict main hours. Okay, so that's what I've done here, model 1, 2, 3, and I'm regressing main hours on each pair of the predictor variables. Okay, so I run that, and what we're supposed to do here is to show that the fitted values are very similar in the 3 models here. Okay, so I'm going to plot all of them in different colors, black, red, and blue, and it doesn't matter which one aligns to which model, but you see that the predictions are, in fact, pretty similar. Okay, now why is this the case? Well, the reason is because, as was demonstrated earlier in the chapter, using this data set. Okay, this data set was used to demonstrate a particular property, which is all of the predictor variables are highly correlated. Okay, so in other words, any one of the predictor variables, right? So any one of these variables has some information, but that information is highly duplicated by some combination of the other 2 variables, right? So if I know case, I don't know how to say any different than that. The information contained in any one variable is being duplicated heavily in the other variables, and so if I use 2 other variables, I'm duplicating a lot of the information that is contained in any of the 3rd variable, whatever the omitted variable is. So anyway, I think that is it.